Muthee Kiengei aihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩingĩ mũno took to his Facebook page to express his joy and pride in one of his best friends, one of his close friends, someone whom he has even mentored in this ministry. Na ũrĩa mũthenya wa ira got to tie the knot mena mwendwa wake, na Muthee Kiengei with his entire family, his wife and also their son Asen mareyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene mũno kũnyitanĩra na mũrata ũyũ wao as he finally ties the knot. Na Muthee Kiengei took to his Facebook page to express his joy akiuga, I always have that great feeling when my friends make it in life. Congratulations my deacon on your wedding day. I am a proud mentor. Alafu hao wengine mnasoma hapa yenu ni lini ama alikanyaga mrefu, and he shared these wonderful photos of the wedding. Na here are the newlyweds on Muthee Kiengei and his wife, all looking so lovely. Na Muthee Kiengei arogererege akiuga he is happy, we are beyond happy, our spiritual son has made it, that's my spirit, let them become. A big congratulations to Deacon Njoga and his newly wedded wife. May God bless their union. Na tukamedithiria all the best in this new journey. And make sure you never miss an update. Subscribe now for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news.